Oh! Oh, it's kind of cute. Hi, I'm the Snowman Master, and today we are going to be making slime, but blindfolded. So I'm gonna have to make the whole thing blindfolded. I'm not seeing a thing. I'm scared. Oh, you like putting it on? I need to be able to smell. Ow! Ow, 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 Alex. Oh, wow. You did a really good job. I have all of the ingredients with me and I'm blindfolded. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do to make slime is pour your glue in. And I'm pretty sure this is the glue. It feels like my gallon, so let's make sure I have the bowl. Is it going in? Okay, we're done with the glue. I don't think I put any in. Is there any even in there? There's none in here. You're lying to me. I literally have none in here. Oh, I feel some, yeah. So now we're gonna pick out our colors. Okay. I choose this one. Hope it's like cute and I would like very light colors. Hope there's not a lot on there. I'm so scared. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir. Hopefully it's a cute color. Okay, so now we are going to be grabbing the Staflo. And let's use my scissors. Have I poured any in? Alex, I don't think I have. Oh, I need to like feel it come out. No.
Start mixing.
Oh, I just poured. I'm gonna have to add more glue or something. I swear, I think I just poured. So, is it even turning into anything? I hate this. I hope it's like a cute color so I can actually like keep it. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with the hands. It feels like really like weird textured. Why is it not even like, is this glue? Okay. Ooh, oh, I don't even feel glue. Now I feel like I need more Staflo. Oh, it's really sticky. I don't think it should be sticky. I think I need more Staflo on my hands so I can like mix it. I think this is hint. If your slime is sticky, add Staflo to your hands and it like makes the slime like sticky repellent. I wonder if mine's gonna be a really ugly color. I'm just hoping it's like maybe green. Okay, so I'm pretty sure my slime is done. Cause it is literally, it feels really nice. Ow! Oh, it's bright. Holy. Oh, it's kind of cute. I like this color a lot. I love this color. What? I love it. It's like pink. I love this color. Oh my god, I did so good. Thanks for watching. I'm the Snowman Master. Make sure you like and you comment and you subscribe. Bye.